Hello folks! Today again, we are going the best 5 3D printers with perfectly in detail such as features, advantages, and disadvantages. Based on our extensive evaluations and hours of testing of more than a dozen models in different price ranges, we recommend the Monoprice Voxel as the best 3D printer for anyone on a budget. It produces good-looking prints at speeds you'd expect from more expensive models. Before starting the video, if you are new on this channel, like it, subscribe, and press the bell icon for watching such amazing helpful videos. Below are some 5 best 3D printers available with links in the description of this video. Top 5 best 3D printers in detail. Let us discuss on 5th 3D printer. 5 Creality Ender 3 Pro Best Budget FDM. For a couple of $100, you can start learning how to use it for your business. The Ender 3 Pro is not the most polished or glamorous printer, but it's a workhorse. A lot of people consider it the best FDM 3D printer for the business in its price category, ourselves included. What you get are reasonably accurate and quality prints for a non-resin 3D printer. You can start learning the process and experimenting without breaking the bank. The 3D printer is also really sturdy and durable. If you're not comfortable investing thousands into a 3D printer, the Ender 3 Pro gives you the options to start small and see how passionate you are about the space. Unlike the rest of the 3D printers in this list, since this is an FDM 3D printer, you're not pigeonholed to just using resins. Sure, it's not the best 3D printing tech for making jewelry, but it can do a ton of other stuff. You can enjoy the full range of freedom that comes with having an FDM printer. That said, FDM 3D printers' print quality are noticeably less smooth and accurate than their resin 3D printer counterparts. Admittedly, sometimes we break things just so we can 3D print replacements, and that's something you can't do with an SL 3D printer. The setup and cleaning process is manual for this printer, so be ready to get your hands dirty and have your patience tested. It will give you a deeper appreciation for when you upgrade to a more expensive unit. The price might be low, but the quality you get is very good. We recommend the Moe as the best business 3D printer for beginners, and it's equally friendly to limit testers and experimenters. Copley's Moe Resin 3D printer is an excellent choice for beginners who have the cash. It's also the perfect choice for people who like to experiment and tinker. Features: provide all-round protection to your 3D printer build plate and ensure consistent temperature throughout the build surface. Easy to remove the printing models after cooling. Ender 3 Pro comes with a UL certified power supply, protecting your printer from unexpected power surges that can heat the hotbed to 110 in just 5 minutes. Ender 3 Pro can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after suffering unexpected power outages. This easy-to-set-up kit comes partially assembled, allowing you to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers as you finish putting it together. A fun STEM educational experience in mechanical engineering and electronics. Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer. Lifetime technical assistance and 24 hours professional customer service. Pros of Ender 3 printer. Open source 3D printer, so ideal for upgrading and customizing. It has a decent build volume for printing miniatures. Build tack like heated build plate creates great prints. Assembly is easy and straightforward, especially for beginners. Now the next 4 3D printer. 4 Monoprice M10 3D printer. This company is known for its budget printers, all of which you can find for a lot less than other printers on this list. With its open frame 3D printer, the Maker Select is an excellent choice if you prefer the FDM route, fused deposition modeling. The unit comes with a stable and strong aluminum frame and includes a separate controller box for the device. The Maker Select comes equipped with an open material system, heated printer bed, and a build volume that's perfect for creating your favorite miniatures. You can connect the unit through USB or print via an SD card if you prefer. Right out of the box, the printer is easy to set up. It comes partially assembled, so you don't have to assemble the whole thing yourself. All you need to do is make sure the frames are securely in place, and you're ready to start printing. Included with the printer are a few 3D model samples, along with some free filament. This gives you the opportunity to start printing once you have everything set up. As far as print quality is concerned, the Maker M10 runs about the middle of the road. It's not going to blow you away, but it's not horrible either. While the unit can print large miniatures very well, it does have trouble with smaller miniatures, like those in the 28mm range. Overall, the 3D printer is reliable and offers decent quality, especially considering that it's one of the best you can get on a budget. Features: includes heated build plate, 2GB micro SD card, and sample PLA filament, such as Cure, Repeater, or Simplify 3D. The Maker Select is compatible with Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux. The large 8x8 inches build plate and generous 7 inches vertical spacing means that you can print larger, more complex models. Ensure that the nozzle temperature is at top correct value for the type of material being printed. Check that the G-code file is complete and not corrupted. Check the original model file. The heated build plate allows you to print slower cooling materials, such as ABS and modified ABS, as well as PLA and PLA blends. Use a micro SD card to store /G-code files, then plug the card into the micro SD card slot to print without the need to connect to a Windows or Mac PC. Printable materials: ABS, PLA, XD copolyester, PET, TPU, TPC, FPE, PVA, HIPS, jelly, foam felty, max. Extruder temp 500 EGF, 206 C. If you fall into the category, the M10 is a solid option. Pros of the Monoprice Maker Select: decent print size, large build plate, good print quality, simple to set up, heated bed, print bed, sturdy frame. Cons of the Monoprice Maker Select: may need upgrades out of the box. Bed leveling is a manual process, not as good printing smaller miniatures. The next third printer much better than previously. 3 Flashforge Creator Pro. The Flashforge Creator Pro is a dual extruder 3D printer, which makes it one of the more versatile options on our list. For starters, the unit provides new ways for users to print with the filament. This includes printing in dual colors without pausing the current print job. It's more stable and durable than many other open-frame 3D printers since it is built with a robust and sturdy metal frame. It also offers an LCD controller, which allows you to print via an SD card, a heated print bed, and a pair of back-mounted spool holders. You'll also notice that you can remove the acrylic covers, which is handy when you need to perform any type of maintenance on the Flashforge printer. Features: full manufacturer's warranty fulfilled by Flashforge, and free email support provided by expert Flashforge technicians. A sturdy metal frame that is substantially more stable than the creator's original wood frame. Build volume 8.9 x 5.8 x 5.9 inches. Aviation level aluminum plate with a thickness of 6.3 mm. Guarantee its surface is completely flat and will not warp during heating process. Metal platform support +10 guide rod ensure precise Z-axis movement and prevent platform arm from deforming. Filament compatibility: PLA, ABS, PLA color change, Pearl, ABS Pro, Elastic, PVA, HIPS, PEC, TPE, TPU. Also conductive filament, flexible filament, metal-filled filament, wood-filled filament, and PP. Enclosed chamber insulates and protects ABS prints. Filament diameter 1.75 mm. Since this unit comes assembled in the box, setting up the Creator Pro is a very straightforward process. You'll be up and printing in a matter of hours. However, it might make sense to change the stock settings for better results once you have everything set up the way you want it. The Creator Pro is an absolute beast. It can print for days with little to no maintenance required on your part. Plus, the unit can print with either ABS or PLA without experiencing any additional problems. The biggest feature the Creator Pro has to offer is its ability to use water-soluble support materials. As a result, the unit can create more challenging miniatures that don't skimp on the details. Additionally, the Creator Pro can print with a wide variety of materials, so you're not limited to just one type. A full enclosure allows the printer to maintain a stable temperature within the printing area, which is a must-have when using certain types of materials. Plus, the printer can use filaments that aren't specific to Flashforge. However, bear in mind that you may need to create your own spool holders, as the ones that come with the Creator Pro are designed specifically for the printer. Pros of the Creator Pro includes dual extruder option. The metal frame is enclosed. Excellent support. Dual color printing option. Supports third-party filaments. Solid print quality. Larger build plate, hence the second 3D printer. 2 Monoprice Voxel 3D printer. The Monoprice Voxel is a novel 3D printer designed with 2 8-inch color IPS touchscreen display. It is extremely simple to use and furthermore beginner-friendly helpful gadget, which shows up 3D printing to the majority with its straightforward menu system, particularly on touchscreen that helped evening out 3D printer decreases calibration to adjust single tap. Its print spout can be traded out in a moment or two, without the requirement for devices of any kind. Additionally, this 3D printer is upheld with 8 GB of internal memory for storing away 3D models, and furthermore USB port for interfacing a flash drive. You can associate a USB with a hotspot control for your PC and an underlying camera for checking print activities. The best part is that the printer comes completely collected and includes test 3D models and filament, allowing you to begin printing within minutes of taking it from the box. Fast change spout, heated removable build plate, help leveling out internal memory, speedy change nozzle. In contrast to other 3D printers, which require devices and 20-40 minutes of work to replace the nozzle, the Voxel has a speedy change nozzle that officially allows you to change the nozzle right away, without the requirement for instruments of any type. It has connected warmed removable build plate, and that removable, adaptable build plate makes removing a model a breeze. Even you can perfectly replace it if it becomes harmed, or can trade in a second build plate to begin new print following completion of an undertaking object. Furthermore, it begin to be heated to temperatures up to 60 C. The Voxel helped beds, as simple as just a single tap to the touchscreen interface. Features: unlike other 3D printers, which require tools and 20-40 minutes of work to replace the nozzle, the Voxel has a quick change nozzle that allows you to change the nozzle in seconds without the need for tools of any kind. The removable, flexible build plate makes removing a model a breeze. Simply remove and flex it to dislodge the model. You can easily replace it if it becomes damaged, or can swap in a second build plate to start a new print immediately after completion of a project. The printer ships fully calibrated and ready to print out of the box. If necessary, you can easily adjust the distance between the nozzle and the bed via the touchscreen interface. Pros: Monoprice 3D printer, a beginner-friendly 3D printer that is reasonably priced, has Wi-Fi and USB connectivity, assisted leveling for calibration. You will probably want to upgrade when your skills improve. The last one: 3D printer. 1 Kodak Portrait 3D printer. The Kodak Portrait comes fully assembled with 5-inch color touchscreen display. Its filament diameter is 1.75 ohm with layer height 2250 micron. After unboxing, you'll find a toolkit and all the accessories you need, like an unclogging needle, a calibration card, and lubrication. You also get 2 spools of PLA filament, spool holders, and filament cases. The instructions will guide you as to how to secure a few of the additional accessories to the printer before use. It takes a mere 10 minutes. You'll notice right away how robust the printer is with its full steel chassis and plexiglass panels. At 200x200x235, the print area on the Kodak Portrait is average. However, it does have a removable glass bed that holds into place with magnets. The bed heats to 105 degrees Celsius, and the hot ends heat to 295 degrees Celsius, which makes it easy to print with a wide range of materials. It helps to reduce shaking while giving you a great visual of the build area. While bed calibration is automatic and seems to be simple, it can prove tedious at times. You can choose from multiple languages, intuitive temperature profiles, and compatible materials. Spool feeders are accessible via the backplate, so if you set your printer up against a wall, they can be difficult to reach, which is one downside to the setup of this particular printer. Features: the Kodak Portrait is a professional quality 3D printer priced low enough for in-home use. It competes nicely with other hobbyist machines and uses dual extrusion FDM technology. The feature list will have you drooling. The Kodak Portrait allows for printing with multiple materials at the same time thanks to dual print cores. It follows a similar design as the Ultimaker 3. The system can accept any combination of all-metal hot ends or PTFE. Bed leveling can prove to be difficult at first glance. You might think that using the touchscreen is no problem. However, it's painfully slow, making it difficult to tell which direction the bed is moving. It has a core XY arrangement with linear rails in the X and Y axis that offer great stability. There's a precision ball screw in the Z axis. Offline operation is also available using the Kodak 3D slicer and connect using LAN or USB. It may take some adjustments to get the Kodak Portrait printing as it should. Temperatures, print speeds, and fan speeds will all need to be tinkered with to yield outstanding prints using a variety of different materials. You'll be happy to know that it's truly excellent. It maintains strength while keeping a strong interface between the two materials. It's a valuable feature for professional users and at-home designers. If you're interested in the Kodak Portrait, there are some other alternatives worth a look. Make sure you shop around to find the best one for you. In the description of this video, 5 best 3D printers are provided with links, so you can buy one of them. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe our channel and share this video. For watching the new latest videos, so also press the bell icon of this channel.